Red Day is a day of giving back. So Keller Williams believes in giving back to its community. One day a year, we all come out as a brokerage. KW Southwest specifically is out here at Nery's Promise. We are doing so much good today. Nery's Promise is a nonprofit organization founded by Nery Salazar. We're helping clean kitchens, we're helping wash dishes, we're helping get toys ready for all the kids during Christmas and Easter and birthdays, and making sure that she is as efficient as possible so she can touch as many lives as she possibly can with her small food.
We get so busy with the families, and sometimes we don't have time to do all this, so clean out closets or put a new sign or help us to clean up the building, to put the building standards. And this is a big help. We appreciate you guys for coming out from your home and to come and serve the community. I think you're doing a beautiful job, and we are very appreciative.